Hi friends, it's Miss Renee here with your Preschoodles Digital Storytime.
Today for our blue pack, we're going to read Color Dance by Ann Jonas. This is our dance. Red and yellow and blue. Orange is red and yellow mixed together. No blue. Green is yellow and blue mixed together. No red. Purple is red and blue mixed together. No yellow. Red and red can only make reds. Yellow and blue can make chartreuse and green and aquamarine. Red and blue can make magenta and purple and violet. But yellow and yellow can only make yellows. Blue and blue can only make blues. But yellow and red can make marigold and orange and vermilion. Blue, aquamarine, green, chartreuse, yellow, marigold, orange, vermilion, red, magenta, purple, violet. Mix them all together and they make browns and grays. White makes colors pale. Gray makes them dark. Black makes them almost disappear. The end.
I hope you enjoyed our Preschoodles Storytime. Have a great day and don't forget to visit preschoodles.com for more.